How to install BMW wheel spacers on your 2024 X5 correctly.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your X5 is by installing BMW wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of the spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross spanner to loosen the stock bolt on the wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. A better safety measure is to place a jack stand to support the car. Use a cross spanner to remove the stock bolt on the wheel side, or we can use an impact wrench to remove it. Before complete disassembly, install the wheel hanger so that we can easily remove the wheel. Remove the wheel and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. We can use a brake cleaner to remove it. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS wheel spacers. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of BONOSS lightweight plus wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption and improve the handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reduced upspan weight helps the BMW X5 suspension system work more effectively. The overall acceleration and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Then install the wheel hanger. Install the wheel and the extending wheel bolt. After installing the wheel spacers, the stock bolt length is insufficient to secure the wheel and the hub assembly, so we must install extending wheel bolt of the corresponding length. It is easy to figure out the proper length, stock bolt length plus spacer thickness. Use a torque wrench to tighten the extending wheel bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extending wheel bolt work. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. The precision of the BONOSS BMW wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise BMW wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for your BMW, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.